failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Fire inspector. This is just one platform coming down in the back with a set of stairs. There's first the fire escape to be able to pass. It has to be 100% scraped and painted. It has to be 100% bolted and 100% rust free. First we're going to start talking about steps. All the threads, as you can see here, they need to be scraped and painted because it has more rust than paint. It's going to have more paint than rust. All the connections, as you can see, there's full of rust. It needs to be taken apart and just clean all the rust and put it back with silicone shut all around so water doesn't go inside. Same on the other side. You can see here there's a lot of rust on the connection. All the threads are welded on both sides. One welded here and welded on the other side, but then it has internal rust causing rust jacking. So all the rust needs to be cleaned down, and every connection, this and the other one, that has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stairs. So you can see all the rust. Every one of them has rust in the connection. This has internal rust causing rust jacking. Same on this side. Every one of them has rust jacking. As you can see, the weld there it's welded but no bolts, so it needs to be drilled and put bolts. As you can see, no bolts in it, so it has internal rust and needs to be cleaned. And the grating, you know, the angle support that is holding this grating, it has internal rust causing rust jacking, so that needs to be reinforced with bolts because only have one bolt on each end. So that needs to take it apart, clean the rust behind, and put it back with half-inch bolts. And let's see if I can get the bolts. You can see that clip there that has rust jacking because it needs to be cleaned and rebolted. Same on the other corner. It has square head bolts, original hardware. So pre-existing lock with no conforming. This needs to be cleaned, all the internal rust, and the footing on that leg there needs to be cleaned to be able to see the cement pad all around. I'm about to check the grating. The grating needs to be scraped down and painted. You can see all the rust jacking. All the rust jacking right here. That needs to be taken apart. That needs to be taken apart and clean the rust, the internal rust. The railings is all pre-existing. They still solid. The connection here is still solid. Most of the work is on the platform. The grating needs to be scraped and painted. That connection needs to be taken apart and clean the rust. Same on this corner here. There's a lot of rust and dirt and all that. It needs to be cleaned down. You can see that this fire escape has more rust than paint. And I'm gonna talk about the footings here. Needs to have a cement pad here. I don't see any cement there, so it needs to have a cement pad so the whole string will sit on top of it. So everything's bare, so you can see all the rust that is or the dirt, it eats the metal. It's eating the metal there, so that needs to be taken care of. Same on this side, you can see. You can see all the rust is building, so that needs to be fixed. So we're gonna have to put some angle clips to support these footings. I mean these legs here, because it's all rusty. It already has holes in it. Okay. Fire escape must be 100% rebolted, 100% scraped and paint, 100% rust free. Okay.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report forbidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.